Wagwan everybody, this is Tali Thorney, and this is the second part of the talk with Carolyn Cooper for Big Tingz A Gwaan. Could do what we
Yes,
do.
but me no want people feel say me. I say the people them in the music industry now no brains, because them will vex with me because them have brains.
No man, you add the
you
little
have to have
brata
brains, you
panta
have to have
pie.
brains to come up with some of them lyrics and the whole way the people them use the music industry to make a living. Because when Jamaican music industry start out, no government now give nobody no help. Everybody
No man,
have to
everybody are
hustle.
also.
This is it. So them go on and go until them create one hell of an industry where have global impact. So me not this number the brains, but me
No,
just
we
I
can't
say,
this
me
thing.
just
We
I
add
say,
brata
me just I
pan
say,
it.
we just add on a little something on it. And let me tell you, one of the things them when me did love about the reggae studies unit. In fact, when we did start it off, me and Professor Devanish, we did come up with the idea. Me ask him for help. Me international reggae studies center, we did call it, But me think say that they too big for certain people. So after it set up in a university, just boil down to reggae studies unit. But them can't see. Say I want international.
Thing you have.
Yes.
And a pair
And
something big.
something. And the musician them, the artist, the producer them, all of them me invite for come to university to talk about how them develop, how them, how them go on through in the industry. And me still have one book where me want to put out called, dancehall philosophy for look put together some of the talk them where the artists them give. But there are so much things we do. But them did glad for come to university and talk to the student them about them idea. When me hear Luciana say him used to sell icicle, ice cream, chocolate, something I ride around for them bicycle and I call out these songs, make song off of them I sell. And I saw him start off in that music. So good for know them things.
University day is done, but may I have to ask you, now that you left the work up at UA and your top teacher up there, where you going with now? Where your plans, where you plan for do? Come on, saying I done your stuff.
Yes, well, up to today, one of the reasons me late for come at the interview because me I still work on one essay where them I do for one book, Cambridge University Press. Them I do one book about Caribbean literature and they asked me to write one chapter about debating language, looking at how language work in the literature and how the Creole language come in the literature and so people still ask me to do things from the beginning of the year. Me I walk street. February I go to London.
I did say that on
Yes,
Twitter, I must
yes,
see you a
yes,
presenter. Me I say,
yes,
no man, Carolyn
yes.
still a work.
Well, yes, you see, and the thing about it now, me free for go. Me not have to ask nobody no permission. Me not have to get no permission from no other department or no dean for work go foreign. Me not have to get nobody to teach me class. Me can free for do what I want to do. So, in February now, Bogle Louverture Publications, they must celebrate their 50th anniversary. And them they give over them all of them papers to the London Metropolitan Archives. So for the last 13 years, the archives are one conference every year. But this year, through the 50th anniversary, and the
Big
press
something
make
for
it
go on.
bigger. So they invite me to come and talk. So me go do that. Then me go up at Birmingham University, me go give a couple talks. Then we did have one former student now, we're living in London. She teach part-time at the Royal Central College of Speech and Travel. And she arranged up a thing for me to go up there, go get lecture 2 times. And then on top of that now, them have a book come out called New Daughters of Africa, where Margaret Busby put out. She come from London and Ghana, and England and Ghana, and she did put out one book about 20-something years back called Daughters of Africa. So she do a new one now, and she said and did ask me if I have anything for put in. I put in one of my column, Finding Romance Online in 2018. So the book I got published now March 8th, International Women's Day. So me able to go and stay for all of 3 weeks. So me go do the first thing when me go for me give the other talk, then me catch the book launch. So that me come home Wednesday, this Bujo concert Saturday night. Sunday, me go to Amherst College. Go to Amherst in Massachusetts for Taak, Amherst College the Monday. We do something with, Michael Tellwell. Him did write the novel after the holiday come, the movie. We go to UMass Amherst and we have an interview with him. People come listen to it talk. And then the Friday, we go down one next university, another former student, Carol Bailey, she's a big lecturer down there. She invited me to come talk. Them have a symposium every year. That's at Westfield State University.
Traveling.
So, can you imagine? So then on top of it now, I'm supposed to go to Germany, Berlin, in April, Easter weekend. For them a one big sound system festival, and them invite me to talk. So I tell when they invite me, I tell them, say, I don't know about sound system to that. I use sound system as a kind of, as well as say in English, one metaphor for all kind of clashing in a Jamaican society. Because I don't want people to invite me under false pretenses. So them say, no, they know them want me to come still. But they have like a problem with the ticket because they want me to travel economy. I tell them, say, no, I'm old, I'm a senior citizen with arthritis, I can't manage it. Economy. So we go around and come out to the final, them say, all right, they might give me the economy ticket. But instead I go from Kingston to London, London to Berlin, they want me to live here. Go to Miami, go sit down in Miami for 5 hours. And I say, by the time we reach the gate in Miami, we almost reach London. So I tell them no. So I say, why am I going to do this something by Skype? And that's how we do it. So I sit down over conference center.
Walk out something and get them what they want.
So you see, just from February to now.
Walk and you do what you're supposed to do.
So, I still do the academic work as what I put it, but I do it for my own time. I mean, I have no pressure except the pressure when I put by myself, because sometimes I really put too much pressure on myself. I walk up and down. So I have to try now. The Skype thing when I do for Germany, that I'm answer now. Anybody want me to contact first thing I say, we just Skype it.
Can we do it? But we use up the Skype.
Yes, use up the technology.
What have it so why we not use it?
Yes, I see why I fly up and down. And then the best joke, the Sunday, Easter Sunday, it looked like the first good little Sunday and getting to Berlin. People there out the road, they enjoy themselves. Nobody now come if you listen to no lecture. I say about 50 people did it. So if you pick up a job, I left myself, left Jamaica, left me yard, go fly all the way to Berlin for to talk to 50 people. I mean, that's it.
My son's going to stay yard. Listening to you now, Carolyn, I can't say, you do the work where you're supposed to do, the work where you love.
I'm still write the column every week. That's a whole heap of work because, you have to come up with something sensible every week. But every day I go to the road, people stop me and thank me for the column. I say them no read, them no miss it. So no week them miss reading the column. So it give me encouragement to say, yeah, man, for work the work, for go and do it.
What all of the work I'm say I do and continue for do? You think you have no more where you want for do? Where you think, say, you know what, I'm going to think, I go left earth and not do that little piece of work I have to do.
No, I don't really have nothing. I really have nothing. I say I have to do because I feel say I do plenty. If I'm dead now, I can't say, well, boy, I leave a little legacy, But I don't know. One of the little things I want to collect up the newspaper column them in some book, because a professor in America just asked me, a couple months if me now publish back the column them as a book, because him say use them in a class and say use English them use it here all about people use up the column them. So from me did I write for Observer. I write for Observer for 5 years. I did plan for the one book and I'll know me not do it. And August at 10 years since I write for the Gleaner. So 10 and 5, 15 times 50. So one column a week. Call it 50 for the year. So that a whole heap of column, about over 700 column.
More ask you if you have nothing where you feel bad about. You have nothing where you think say you didn't want to do before you tap work at you. Come and know say sometime in the day you and say, I can't do this now. They might put a little pressure upon me. So Dina fight me, this and fight me. You did have nothing where you think you did want to do while you did in the work up here.
Well, let me tell you, Dee never fight me. He couldn't manage me. No, but I want to say, I can't think of nothing when I say what I want to do. Because I figure say, me lucky, me get for the plenty of what I did want to do, It's a couple of the things, one book, the newspaper column them because from a 5 year me did write for the Observer. August I come, a 10 year me I write for Gleaner, that's a 15 year. 15 say call it 50 column a week, so that at least 750 column.
Wagwan everybody, this is Tali Thorney. I'm sure you will love the second part of the talk with Carolyn Cooper. We're not done yet. Just remember say the rest will come. That's it for Big Tingz A Gwaan.
Maybe a child. Watch out. Big Tingz A Gwaan.